you let me free! Oh, Mister, please, you gotta cut me loose! Mister, please!
For some barbecue!
Slice and dice.
He's on delivery!
I think that makes the point. Getting a bit hot.
Jack, what an unpleasant surprise. That wasn't very nice, Jack. Don't bet on making it out again. Over the lips and past the gums. Look out, Jack. Here I come. We won the war, Rick.
He's on the water tower!
Bam! Hits the spot. Ooh! Time for a little pick-me-up, I think. My boys will keep you busy. This excitement has made me quite thirsty. I saw you first. Long live the king!
I've almost run dry. Okay, Swift, I've had enough of you now. Oh, yeah.
He's on the water tower!
Never did like the circus.
That was incredible! You saved my life!
All in a day's work. I only wish it were more financially gratifying.
Well, shoot, mister. If getting yourself a little money's all you're worried about, then I know where someone with your talent could pick up $5,000 in gold without even trying.
Pray do tell, young lady, and I would be forever in your debt.
There's a sharpshooter competition in Brimstone. Winner takes all. Shouldn't be a problem for such a fine marksman like yourself.
Well, madam.
Fresh off the press, Widow's Patch saved by liming. Professor Perry perishes at the hands of a traveling showman. Step aside, hombre. Billy Cougar's walking by.
You hear about the trouble in Widow's Patch last night?
Good day to you, stranger. Have you been reading the newspaper recently? The governor has announced another battle royale.
Me.
Good day to you, sir. I don't suppose you know what's going on up at Rogue Valley, would you?
What can I do for you? Got everything the discerning gunslinger could possibly need.
Not bad, bounty hunter. Not bad at all. Now I reckon you could really line your pockets. If you don't mind hunting down a woman. If you can call her a woman.
Everybody go! I'll see you in hell! Hey, friend. Follow me. I know a shortcut. Friend, you go ahead. I'll follow you. Thanks, mister! We're home free! Hallelujah! Yippee!
I could hear you coming, little man. You think you can handle taking on a woman like me? You either drunk or crazy. Better man than you. cash.
My rock, your face.
I've whooped better men than you. This is a fight you can't win, bounty hunter. I'm gonna tan your hide. Is that any way to treat a lady?
Why don't you suck on my skull?
Got you in my sights. Oh, now
You're good, bounty hunter, but I'm bad. Give me your best shot, bounty hunter. Your luck just ran out. Yeah. I whooped better men than you. I'm gonna whoop your ass. Your luck just ran out.
hate to kill a lady.
Bad Bessie beaten by a brave bounty hunter. Rogue Ballad to be renamed after bounty hunter clears out bandits. Another term.
I know you. You're the fella that took out old Bad Bessie and her gang.
Howdy, stranger. Hear you been getting some good use out of that shooting iron of yours. Have you heard about our battle royale?
Hello, old chap. I really must thank you for getting me out of that spot of bother the other day.
bad Bessie beaten by a brave bounty hunter.
I found the scoundrel who locked me up and gave him a lesson in manners that he won't forget for a while.
Governor to run for another...
A shot of red-eye, mug of beer, or maybe a refreshing sarsaparilla. Name your poison, friend.
Hey there, sugar. You look like a fella who enjoys a good time. You should check out the show tonight.
I've been hearing about you all over town. Talk is that you were the man who beat Bessie.